Today I'm going to show you guys how to create a look using just one eyeshadow. Believe it or not, all of these swatches are from exactly the same shadow, but using different techniques to apply them. Using the technique of a damp base, flat brush, damp brush, and fluffy brush, you actually get a different finish each time. Now you can choose any type of eyeshadow that you want, but you do want to avoid any mattes and anything with too much shimmer. So we're going to start off with the first technique of using a fluffy brush. So a fluffy brush will disperse the product for you and give you like a sheer finish. And that's what we want from this look. Because this eyeshadow has a little bit of shimmer in it, what we want to do is to use this in the crease in a very soft way. This is really just there to give a hint of color and to create a frame around the lid. So you're going to take your brush from the outer edge of the eye, bringing it into the crease above the lid and then to the inner corner, working over and back and very slowly build the shadow up, applying a little bit at a time. For the next technique, we're going to apply a damp base, so just use a little bit of concealer just on the outer corner. And we're also going to be using a damp brush. The combination of a damp base and a damp brush create a very different finish. The damp base creates a little bit more of a matte texture, while the damp brush intensifies the look of the product. So we end up with a deeper, slightly more matte color. And this is great for contouring the eyes. And as you can see, it's very different from the work that we've done in the crease. It's almost like using a different eyeshadow. Next, we're going to use a flat brush. Now, typically flat brushes are great for applying all eyeshadows. And because we're just going to be using a flat brush that's dry on a dry base, we're going to end up with the same color that's in the actual pan itself. So this is typically the way the eyeshadow would look if you swatched it normally. So we're working this from the inner corner, across the lid and matching up with that darker eyeshadow on the outer edge. Then all you have to do is finish off with your lashes and liner, and there you go. One eyeshadow used in different ways to create an eye makeup look. If you haven't already, check out the other videos on the screen and hit that subscribe button.